Cameron, you do a regular dive, and then we'll see how Cody and Dallin do regular dives. Okay.
All right, okay, Dallin.
Okay, Dallin. Okay,
Cody, let's see your dive.
Turn. Regular dive. Regular dive.
I don't know how to.
Yeah,
do
you
Yes,
just did it.
you just did one a second ago. No, not like that. Cody, a dive.
I did one dive. Perfect.
Oh, you can't do one more for the video?
Leo,
Yeah.
what's this?
Okay,
That was a twisty dive.
come on, Cody.
Whoa, whoa.
You gonna do
Whoa.
back that? Whoa.
Should have done a backflip, Cameron.
Mommy, watch
What?
me.
What? You're gonna do back dive.
Okay, go. I'm watching. Whoa. Okay, Cody, show me a dive.
No, I don't want to.
Please. Whoa, Cameron did a flip. Did you guys see Cameron do a flip?
Yes.
Do it, Cody.
That was cool.
Woo!
Watch
Kind
me.
of like a summer.
Wow. Good job. Whoa. That was good, Dallin. Okay, Cody, let's see it dive.
Watch me. That's what I call a flip.
Yeah, that was cool.
That's what you call that?
Did you see him? He put his hands on the thing.
Yeah. That
Cool.
works. That's pretty cool.
Cody, I'm still waiting for a dive. What? Almost hit the thing. Okay, Cody, show me a dive real quick so I can be
regular dive.
finished with the video.
There it goes.
I can do it too.
All right.
Great dive.
I see why that hurts you.